Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll briefly explore samples and how they relate to the music we make. In music production, a sample refers to a segment of sound. This could be a snippet of a song, a drum beat, a vocal line, or any other piece of previously recorded audio. Samples are often used to add layers, textures, or specific sounds to a track. They can be looped, chopped, stretched, or even altered to fit the producer's unique vision. It's important to understand the legal side of using samples. While many producers give away sample packs of their favorite sounds for free, not all samples are free to use. Some require clearance or licensing, especially if they're from commercially released music. Creatively, samples open up a world of possibilities, allowing producers to easily build songs, blend genres, or pay homage to some of their musical influences. Sampling is an essential tool for creativity and innovation in music production. Remember, you can always create your own samples using a high-quality microphone or even the built-in microphone on your phone to record any sound you might find inspiring in the real world. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.